If you're a content creator and you want to up your game in terms of good image quality, one of the things that's going to help is to have a good light source, such as this RALENO Softbox. Now, I know it's very popular for people who have right now those ring lights, especially if you're into the beauty space. However, unless you need a light right there up close on your face, you definitely should have a diffused source of light, such as these softboxes. Now, the other main advantage is, and if you've wondered about it, if you're using a ring light, you end up seeing those halos inside people's eyes. You're going to be able to get rid of it by using a softbox. Currently, I'm using two softboxes right now. I have one here and then one here, and it does a really nice job, especially since the camera has a 4-step ND filter on right now. So the RALENO softboxes, they're going to be a very good value, and they're similar to a lot of the other lights that you're going to find. I do have a suspicion that many of these are the same lights, they're just rebranded. The RALENO lights, they are available in two different packages. So you have one package which is going to be just one light, you have them together, and then RALENO also does have some bigger packages and you'll have these lights yourself there. So these lights, they are portable and they are going to come with two stands. So let's take a look at the light first, then we'll talk about the stand. The lights themselves, they can fold up, and what you have is you have the softbox cover, and then you actually have the bulb itself. Now this is an E27 bulb. It does come with the light, and these are 85 watts, and they're going to produce a 5500 Kelvin light. 5500 Kelvin is going to be closer to true broad daylight, and these are the same bulbs as I have right now. So they're not super cool, but they're not going to give you like that orange incandescent type look. If you wanted to change the color a bit, one of the things you can do, you can buy separately either a color diffuser that you can put in front of this, or just to replace that. Otherwise, any type of E27, it'll fit in here, and this one is 85 watts. When you're traveling, you can actually just remove the bulb, and this does fold on into itself. The light stand that it comes with is a little bit on the lighter side. So if you're going to be using this, I definitely recommend that you use some sandbags to put some weight on the bottom. And once again, these are similar stands that you're going to find to most other places. The light does have a switch. So let's, once you have it, you can actually adjust the height that way. And this screw is actually what's going to hold it onto here. So let's put this over here. All right, so this pole, you do have 3 sections, and you can actually even extend it high. So this is like a 6 foot, so you can kind of have it over the top of the head. You can have it pointing down, and that would be the recommended way to go. And if you want to fold it in, that's 1, that's 2, and then this bottom section, it's going to fold up this way. So that's how small you can fold up the light stands. Once again, a little bit on the lighter weight side, however these are actually just fine. Just make sure that you add weight to the bottom, otherwise if anybody knocks them over, they'll start tilting over. The alternative is, I'll include a picture of what I'm using right now. You have some more heavier duty light stands by KNF, and those have been fantastic for me. Otherwise, like I said, pick up a set. I mean, one is better than none. 2-point lighting is going to be a little bit better. And then honestly, if you wanted to, you can do a 3-point light, especially if you're going to do countertop type videos. You have one on here, and then if you have one over the top, that would also be good. Otherwise, really solid value, and for under $100 for the sets, this is going to be a tremendous value, and it's definitely going to improve your content creation game.